Guys, so I have a small home decor haul, and I'm trying to think if this is everything, but I went to Michael's and I picked up one thing from Kirkland's. So I have been eyeing the new spring items that they have put out. And last year I was looking at some things, but I don't remember. I don't know, I got sidetracked. So I like the new shabby chic stuff that they've been putting out, and also the rustic items. And I said that, of course, I wasn't going to get it unless it's 50% or more off. And I picked up another sign. I've already put it, picture. I already put it on the wall, so I'll show you guys. And that one was $19.99 and only paid $7. So it has to be 50% off or more for me to get it. I'm trying not to get too much home decor, but it's so hard because it's just what I'm working on right now. It's so hard. I want to save that money for some other things. But anyway, let me show you what I picked up. So when they put these out, I knew I was going to wait till they were 50% off or more. Today was 40% plus additional 20% off. So hold on, I have my receipt. So they were 60% off. These were $16.99, and I think they were like $8 and some change. Yeah, $8 and some change. I don't think they were $7. And so these are like the foam wall flowers, and these are gonna go in my craft room. They also have them like in a peachy color, but it looks kind of orangey peach or blush color. It kind of looks like orange, blush, and pink, and I kind of want blush or either pink. And then I don't know if this is just this must be just to hold it, and you're gonna use a little hook here. Sorry, leave that alone. I thought it would have like a little sticky pad, but this must be just how it's just made. And then you'll hang it on your wall. So I picked up 2 of these, and that's all that they had. So hopefully they will get some more, and I may want one more. Then they have the smaller ones, and these are $9.99 regular price. So they were probably like $4 and something. And I picked up 2 of those. Also, I went the other day and I picked up a sign. It's one more that I want. Sorry. And it says groceries, and I'm still debating if I want that or not. But I did pick this one up. It says grateful, thankful, and blessed. And I think this one was $24.99. And yeah, $24.99. And it has those hoops there on the back. And I'm going to pick up the trail from the gym. And I probably should have went with them. And I'm going to stop at Dollar Tree and get some nails, because I need some nails. I really like to use those Hercules hooks. And I'm going to see on Amazon if I can find any more, because I need some. But anyway, I'm going to put this above my TV if it looks okay. Then also, I've been looking at this one. This is the first one that grabbed my attention. It says, give us this day our daily bread, Matthew 6:11. And I wanted to put this above the little kitchen area, and I'll show it once I put it up. And not kitchen area, where I have the little menu board that I picked up from Tuesday Morning Guys, and I had the eat sign, if you guys remember that. It's kind of like a little command center. So this one was $19.99. I'm trying not to scratch up my table, but it looks like it's bowing here. And I was trying to see if my boys did that when they put it in the car, but I think it was just, that's just how it was made. This one was $19.99. So this one was probably about $8, something like that. I have to get my receipt out. So I really like this one. And then Josiah is messing with, say hey, Saya. Hi. Josiah's messing with my Kirkland's, let's see, flag. And I like to get Kirkland's flags. They're $12.99. And I only paid $3 and some change. So I had they have a rewards program, and you buy so much, you get $10. And I thought it was my birthday rewards, because my birthday's coming up, and I think they give you $5 or $10. But she said no, that I knew I was close to my rewards, and I just forgot. So they did have 25% off that I got in my email, and they were passing around a 15% off. But it said that you could not use it on seasonal stuff, and I thought that sucked, because I know fall time I went in there and used one similar around that time because I don't like to pay the full price for the flag. So anyway, this is the only one they have for Valentine's. The other one says love in here, so they don't have like any other ones, just this design with the burlap. So I'm getting ready to put that out, and I'll just keep these little, comes in those bags, I just keep these little stands if I need a new one out there. But I have one like in the ground, and I kind of used floral, and I just connected to the mailbox with floral wire so it won't flap back and forth. Okay, also I picked up this welcome sign, and I've been wanting one for a while. I've seen them at Kirkland's and so forth, and I don't know exactly where I'm gonna put this. I don't know if I'm gonna put it outside or not. I'm leaning against the entryway near the door. I don't know, but this is with the Easter stuff, because one of them says Easter and one of them says welcome. You have to look behind them, and I got choked. And so this one is $19.99, and this was not a part of the 40% off spring decor, because when I kind of did my total in my head, and I was like, that's not right, something's off. And I just asked her, is everything 40% off? And I was gonna give her the 20% off coupon, and she said, well, it's one thing that rung up regular price, and it was this. So she used the 40% off coupon off of regular price items. So I thought this was really pretty. And let me show you the other sign. So this is my hallway here, and I'm working on a little gallery wall. I started painting it, and I'll do that. I start painting it because I'm tired of looking at the holes in the wall or something, and I'll go back and do the trim later. So yesterday I said I wasn't going to do anything, and I ended up doing the trim at the bottom, and I ran out of painter's tape because I was mad, because I was like, oh man, because I was going to do my whole hallway here. So anyway, and I got some stuff to take to Goodwill. So this is the sign I picked up first. This one was $19.99, and when they had 60% off the day before yesterday, this was like $7 and some change, and I was like, now that's what I'm talking about. I said the gather sign, I told you guys I was going to show you when I put that up, and I was going to put it above my pantry, but it has those hooks on both sides, and my pantry is at a slant, so it was a little challenging, or maybe I just didn't feel like doing it. So
sorry, Mom.
If you don't stop, Josiah.
Sorry.
And I was worried about putting this down low. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this and buy the one that says family from Kirkland's. It was $29. But gather is fine too. So that's it, guys. I had to put my sign back up because Josiah just knocked it down, and you know better than that. But thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.